We start our session. This is our second session. The title of the session is Introduction of Family. Before starting this session, we know the importance of today's day. Unexpectedly, today's session is Introduction to Family, and all over the world, 15th May is celebrated as International Family Day. So we are very lucky that we are joining the session of Sustainable Development Goals SDGs, and we are also introducing our family on the very auspicious day, International that is Family Day. United Nations has established 15th May as a Family Day in 1994 because we have the time to appreciate our loved ones. They have the time to make awareness about our family. And this auspicious day, we are going to start our second session. And the first part of the session is introduction. Now, I am Mr. Suresh Purwade from India. With my 5 students. My first student is Sumanta Surwade. Sumanta, are you present here? Hello? Unmute your mic and answer my question. Sumanta, my first student. She is present here. She is the master student. She is university student. She has been going to complete her masters in political science from Pune University, Tawari College. Hello, Sumanta. Are you present?
Yes.
Okay. The second student is from Pune, BBA, HP Desai College, Bachelor in Business Administration. Subodh from Pune. Subodh is present?
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone.
Okay. My third student is Miss Purva Praveen Patil. She is from Junior College, New English School and Junior College, Jamner. Purva is present. Unmute your mic and answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next student is Prathamesh Patil. He is from my school, that is New English School, Jamner. You present, Prathamesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss with Bangla teacher, Miss Honorable Rumana Fardos. Good afternoon, madam.
I am Romana Firdaus. I come from Bangladesh.
Okay. Next teacher.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. Next teacher is
Hello.
Sarkar. Hello, madam. Can you listen to me? Rita ma'am from Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we shall start today's session. The name of the session is Family Introduction. Now I am going to share my screen. Okay. Now you are looking at the screen. You can see that welcome to India Bangla Teleconference session second presented by Suresh Surwade, India 33, and co-partners are Rumana Firdos. The project ID is BAN59 and Hina Sarkar. Her project ID is BAN123. Both are from Bangla. Okay. In this session, we are going to discuss about, do you have any siblings? Means when we introduce the family, we have to discuss over, do you have any siblings? Siblings means brothers or sisters. Where they live, name of the family head, and name of the family members. The co-partner students must remember, you have to ask these questions: address and location, education of siblings, house, earning sources of the family. We have to discuss 3 to 4 topics of our family. Now I am going to present my family. The first thing is, do you have any siblings? This one. When the link is over or the time is over, I request all of you update the same link and join again. Okay. So this is my house. The title of my house is Abha. This name is written in Marathi. Abha. The meaning of this word is, it is a combination of the first letter of my parents. That is, my father's name is Ananda and my mother's name is Bhagirathi. The initial 2 letters I composed and then make a name, that is Abha. It has also religious according to. This is our house. It is a small bungalow as a duplex. He was my father. He was born in March 1937 and was died on 3rd January 2013.
Sir, your words are not clear.
Voice, I'm trying to tell clearly with using the microphone.
Not clear, sir.
Okay. Try to check your connectivity, network connectivity, because all are listening. Romana ma'am, can you listen to me? Hello? Romana ma'am, are you listening to me clearly?
Sir, the voice is not clear.
Okay. Hello? Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So see the next thing. This is my mother. In Marathi we can
call her Ai. The second picture is of my mother-in-law. Now this is our family. We are 4 members. In the middle, we both are sitting, husband and wife, and beside our kids, my son and my daughter. She is my daughter Sumanta and my son Subodh. This is our clear picture of our family. We both are here respectively, I, my wife, my elder daughter, and my son. Now, I think my school is also my other family. So, in this presentation, I am showing you the another picture of my school. My colleagues, sister and brothers are here in my school campus, Sane Guruji Sabhagruha. The name of the hall is Sane Guruji Sabhagruha. And this is a small video of about 2 minutes. Watch the video, then you will clearly understood about my school. He was the chairman of our school. Now any question, please ask me. Do you have any question? I have already discussed over my family and my second family, that is my school. Will you please ask me anything?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir. Sir, can I ask a question?
Please ask.
Sir, in which class does your daughter study?
She is completing her master's degree.
Yeah.
Political science, University, Pune University.
Yes, sir. And son?
He is completing his university BBA degree.
Okay.
Okay, now
Thanks, sir.
picture पण नाही open होत सुरू. Upgrade करूंगा. Now upgrade the link. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Madam, Rumana madam. I'm showing you these pictures.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rumana madam, explain about your family.
Yes.
One by one.
Yeah.
I'm showing you the picture from the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who are in this picture now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the photos
Hello,
now?
everybody.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, explain now
Yes,
one by
sir.
one.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Good evening. I'm Romana Firdaus, assistant teacher, Shishu Niketan School and College, Kishoreganj, Nilphamari, come from Bangladesh. This is my family background. This picture, first picture showing my husband and me, I. My husband, Ataur Rahman.
Who is this in this
Uh,
picture?
Uh, this picture, my father, he's late after 5 years.
Okay.
My father name Muhammad Azahar Ali. This picture, my big sister and I. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. My sister and sister husband. She is teacher. Same. My sister and sister husband. My sister is a primary school teacher.
Okay.
This picture, my daughter, Anika Mahajevin Ifshita, did in
Your
class
image behind her.
7. Yes, sir.
What is the image behind her?
বঙ্গবন্ধুর ফেস্টিভ্যাল 7ই মার্চ বঙ্গবন্ধুর ঐতিহাসিক ভাষণ শিশু ডান্স
Can you tell me the name of the dance?
ডান্স দেশের গান আবার হবে ভোর the gun name my sister sorry my daughter Ifshita my daughter and my husband husband brother wife my father-in-law house my husband play the cricket my my sister
Where is this place?
ঐতিহাসিক the name is Bhinna Jagat Rangpur district Bhinna Jagat
Okay.
my second daughter birthday Adiba Mahajebin my sister this place Bhinna Jagat the picture my brother I family member my sister son my
कट करून टाकतो पुढे.
आवाजच नाही आला त्याच्याशी. आणि प्रथम घ्यायचं आणि घ्यायचं कट करून टाकलं.
हेलो.
hello sir.
हाँ.
Is sister son Mahmudun Arif Joy. North South University Dhaka. His service Grameen Phone.
Okay.
My sister husband or son, his job NASA
Okay.
as a scientist.
NASA scientist.
My sister husband teacher, university teacher as a Russia University subject statistics. Same photo.
Okay. Okay. Hello students.
He lived in Rajshahi, Bangladesh, other division, Rajshahi.
Okay. Okay. Now the meeting.
In this second part of the second session, India Bangladesh Teachers Telecollaboration, we are going to discuss about 21st century skill. Initially, I want to ask you, what are 21st century skill, or what skills our children need to success in 21st century. 21st century skills are needed to be successful in this age or in this era. So, in this session, I am going to talk about these skills. The 21st century skills are of three types: learning skills, literacy skills, and life skills. So let's begin with learning skills. These skills are also called 4Cs. These skills are called learning skills or 4Cs. The first learning skill is creativity. The way of think outside the box. The way of thinking outside the box is called the learning skill. Critical. The 21st century first learning skill is creativity. Creativity means the way of thinking outside the box. Most teachers are thinking that creativity means playing musical instruments, singing songs, or draw pictures. But creativity makes the student to think out of box. So teacher must encourage their students to think about or to think out of the box in their own lives. I am giving here one example of Bill Gates. People always think that the student must be topper, but Bill Gates thinks out of the box. He said, I was never topper of any university, but most university toppers work for me. So this is called creativity. The second learning skill is critical thinking. Solving complex problem is called critical thinking. Giving priority to critical problems in day-to-day life is also called critical thinking. The third learning skill is collaboration. Collaboration means the act of working together to achieve the common goal is called collaboration. I repeat, the definition of collaboration, that the act of working together to achieve the common goal is called collaboration. This is also called people management skill. The next example is of leadership. A person who manages the operation has the flexibility, responsibility, as well as with full of determination, he or she as a leader manage the whole operation. It is success only due to collaboration. The fourth 21st century learning skill is communication. Communication means to convey an idea and thoughts. Actually, students can achieve these above skill in any situation, but for communication in schools like primary school, secondary school, the student must have learned language, and the language skills are listening, speaking, reading, writing, and then communicating. So the skill of communication is achieved only when he learn language. So training or listening must be achieved by the person who wanted to develop his or her communication. So using magic words, present yourself with confidence, friendliness, open mindedness, with non verbal communication and verbal communication. By getting feedback, we must know the art of communication. So these are the 21st century learning skill. Now we discuss about the literacy skill. They are also called IMT skills. These skills are related to students reading and understanding information, especially the information they find from online, sometimes by reading newspaper, to access with WhatsApp, Facebook, social media, Telegram, Instagram, and internet. The first literacy skill is information literacy skill. By reading various types of books, blogs, the student get information. The second media literacy skill is also the literacy skill. Finding and understanding the source of information that published through print media or electronic media, whether they are reliable or not, the students will able to develop his media skill. The third literacy skill is technology literacy. We get machinery and equipment information that are interpublishing through technological information. That kind of technological information is called technology literacy. We get from internet or from our computer. This will help us to become challenging and independent thinker in this age. The last 21st skill is life skill. This is the third type in this flexibility, leadership, initiative, productivity, social skill are involved. Student can use to go through his life or during with the life during his life with technology providing different ways. Life skills are included flexibility, leadership, initiative, productivity, social skill. Therefore, life skills are also called FLIPS or FLIPS. Students are bound to achieve all of these skills. They achieve personal life and professional life with the help of these 21st century skills. All of these life skills will help them to their day-to-day lives, also the days to come. As a teacher, we must come to know how can student learn these 21st century skill as quick and accurate as possible. Thank you. In this second session, we, the three partner of India and Bangladesh, in this India-Bangladesh Tele-Teachers Collaboration, Honorable Romana Pirdos Madam, Rita Sarkar Madam, and myself Suresh Surwade from India with my 5 students. In this session, we have discussed over the sustainable development goal first, that is no poverty. The objective of this goal is end poverty in all its form everywhere. Achieving sustainable development goal first would end extreme poverty globally by 2030. The goal has 7 targets and 8 indicators we have already discussed here. We have also discussed that to eradicate extreme poverty for all people or people living on less than $1.25 a day. In this session, we have discussed about Bal Vivaha, sex, age, employment, status and location according to nation. Definition: reduce at least half of the proportion of men, women, children of all ages living in all its dimension according to national definition. Implement nationally means appropriate social proportion system. The government implemented means the Indian government implemented to provide appropriate social protection to Indian people. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, Manrega, Antyodaya Yojana, etc. So access to basic services for equal right to economical resources, ownership and control over land and other forms of property, inheritance, natural resources. Number of adult would access of basic services. Sometimes climate related extreme events are happened and the effects are economic, social and environmental disasters. Number of deaths are happened and direct economical loss is there. Therefore, mobilization of resources, grant from donor, spending on essential services, education, health, social protection should be available. Create sound policy framework is the scheme of the government will be implemented throughout the country to support in poverty eradication action. Thank you.